Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, ituturo ko po sa inyo ang ways of earnings dito kay Nexira Airdrop. First thing you need to do is to create an account. Kindly check out our registration link in the description box of this video. Once you click that link guys, ito po ang lalabas. Just click connect to claim your rewards. Now, you can choose whether you prefer continue with Google or continue with Apple account. In my case, I choose Google. And now, we are here in the homepage of Nexira. Just scroll down and you will see this How It Works section. Click continue under the claim reward boxes. Next thing you'll need to do is to connect your social media accounts. This is a mandatory task. After connecting your socials, scroll down a little bit and you will see this airdrop campaign section. As you can see, there are two available campaigns as of the moment, the airdrop season 1 campaign and the New Year's campaign. You just have to click join now to start doing tasks. Don't forget to do your daily check-in guys. In the social task, you just have to click this proceed to post and they will require you to do a simple Twitter task where you just have to retweet or like a specific Twitter post. After you finish the task, you need to click this verify via X in order to successfully submit your task. Now, let's proceed to a very important question. How much Ruby will be unlocked on pre-TGE? TGE will happen on February 15, 2026 guys, and a portion of your Nexi allocation which based on your Ruby balance will be tradable and the remaining amount will be vested. February is just around the corner guys, kaya wag nyo po itong palampasin. Hoping to get another 5-digit profit this year 2026. That's it for our video. If you find this video helpful, kindly support my channel by liking this video and click the subscribe button para updated po kayo for more airdrop tutorial videos na i-upload po natin. Magandang araw po sa lahat.